So that was step 4. Now step 5 is individual rewriting. So these days it's a little bit difficult to do because the students sometimes whip out their cell phones and they keep taking pictures of what you do. I prefer them not to do that. Anyway, so what we do, well, the reason is this is the reason. 1, we erase the joint rewriting. So we've got the writing there. We've done each sentence. We put alternate words there. We decided how to read each sentence. We've then looked at the whole paragraph and read the whole thing and realized that a sentence here needs to be adjusted to fit in the flow of the paragraph. And the meaning of the paragraph is the same as the original. You don't want to change the meaning. You're just rewriting that paragraph with the same sense. You're just changing words, many words as you can. So we then erase from the board or the screen the joint writing, and then the students on their own. And I like to do this. There's 2 ways to do this. If it's possible to do it in the classroom, and if they've taken pictures of their cell phones, you ask them not to use the pictures on their cell phones. You must just use their notes and the things that they've written down for their notes. You ask them to rewrite the text on their own with reference to their notes, and then you take that in as an example of their rewrites. So they're doing the whole exercise but on their own and individually.